Let's go back to our basket view, and here we are going to show our card info view controller. So we are going to do that whenever our user clicks on one of the options in our action sheet. So if I go to my show, let me find it. So we have our checkout button pressed, show options. So if we jump here, it's going to say show card number view. And here I'm going to create the view controller that we want to show. So say let VC is equals to, and we are going to access our UI storyboard. And we're going to instantiate it with a name which is main. Bundle is going to be nil, and then we say instantiate view controller with identifier. And the identifier, we haven't given our view an identifier, so if we go to our main storyboard, make sure you click on the view controller so this blue is highlighted, then we can give it a storyboard identifier, and I'm going to call mine card info VC. You can copy this and hit enter, make sure it stays there. Going back to our basket, I can just paste it here, and I need to specify what kind of view this is. So we say as card info view controller. So we have the view controller, and now I can say self.present, and we are going to present the VC animated. We say true, completion, we pass nil here. So jumping back to my card view controller, now we have an option to present this view, that I'm going to write a helper function to dismiss the view when we click cancel or done button. So say helpers, and here I'm going to say private func dismiss view, and here simply say self.dismiss animated true, completion nil. And in our cancel we can call this dismiss view, and same thing we can done in our done button, we say dismiss view. So it doesn't matter what we click now, it will dismiss our view, but by default our done button will be not active until we put our card information, and then we do some processing here, and only after that we are going to dismiss the view. So let's quickly run and see if we can present our view, and then if we can dismiss it. So going to my basket here, I have one item, I click on checkout button, pay with card, and this shows my view and my cancel button and done button. Let me try the cancel button, works, and the done button works as well. So we can present our view and dismiss it. In next lecture we are going to add the text field that is going to take our card information.